Hello.
جن أنا وأحمد.
Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys.
Good morning, Mr.
Good morning, Mazen.
Good morning, Abu Yusuf.
Good morning, Mahmoud, Mazen,
Morning,
Tamim. Good morning, guys. Welcome back.
اشتقنا لك.
والله واحنا guys, we are going to agree in something, okay?
Hello,
I will. Hello.
يا
I will make mute for all. If any has a question, okay, he must raise your hand. When he raised your hand, I will see him, okay, and take him to ask a question or any problem. It's okay. Okay, guys.
اوكي يلا.
Okay, Tamim. Ibrahim.
اوكي.
Ibrahim.
هلا ايه
Mohsen.
هلا.
Mazen.
يس.
Salman. Shari.
موجود.
Ahmed Al-Anazi. It's okay. Let's begin.
Let's begin.
It's okay, guys.
Let's begin.
Good morning, guys. First, now, inshallah, we are going to study the fifth lesson in covalent bond, which is called, as we see, electronegativity and polarity. It's okay. First, before beginning to study this lesson, we studied the lesson before, which is called what? Which is called what? Called molecular shape. Called what? Called molecular shape. Okay.
Mister,
Yes.
you can hear me now.
Yeah, I can hear all. Okay. I opened a mute. So now I will hear to all students. Okay. But if any students only has a question, okay, just ask me this question. Okay. If there is no question, you will hear me only. Okay.
We need it mute, Mr. Please.
Mute.
Yes, عشان because we need
Discuss with me.
Because the noise we have maybe
okay, I will make a mute. Okay, but if any students has a question, must raise your hand and I will see him. Okay.
Yes.
Agree all.
Agree.
It's okay.
agree يلا. كفو.
Okay. Now, inshallah, we are going to study the electronegativity and polarity. It's okay. What's meant by electronegativity and polarity? Okay. Please, guys, don't. Guys, please don't write on the wall, please. Okay. I will make clear now. Clear or drawing. Okay, but must. It's okay. Now, inshallah, this lesson This lesson that you are going to study is called what? Is called electronegativity and polarity. It's okay. In this lesson, we are going to know a chemical bond's character is related to each atom's attraction for the electrons in the bond. What's meant by chemical bond? Chemical bond, it's any bond that join between two atoms to make compound. So any compound consists of two atoms or more. There must be found a bond that make attraction for these
Mister, your
atoms.
voice not clear.
What? Not clear why?
Because they think from
There's
the
echo on your sound.
Not clear for all?
Yes.
There's echo.
Okay. By this way, clear or no?
No,
No.
Mister, the
There's an
internet is
echo.
very low. The internet. Internet.
So the problem from the internet, not from me.
Yes. No.
لا
From
من
your
عندي
internet.
From
كان
internet.
أستاذ.
From
From
me.
your internet.
عندي.
Yes, from your internet.
But
عندي أستاذ يقطع.
the internet is working now.
يا
internet.
صوتي يقطع انا.
افتحش.
لا
لا
صوت كويس صوت كويس.
صوتي يقطع.
لا صوت كويس.
اوكي الصوت يقطع ده يبقى من النت اللي مشاري من النت. ماشي؟
اي اقول
انا هعيد.
نتك الساب.
هعيد. I will repeat. لا افتح بس كده I will
بس ادخل
repeat.
من اللابتوب افضل الساب ولا الجوال؟
والله هو اللابتوب او الجوال افضل، الاثنين يعني الاثنين كويسين بس اللابتوب افضل.
خلاص استاذ انا بطلع وادخل من اللابتوب خلاص.
Okay, let's complete. It's okay. Let's complete.
انا بطلع
It's okay.
بطلع وادخل من اللابتوب.
Okay, let's complete. Now that's telephone. Now chemical bonds. Show it. Chemical bonds character is related to each atom's attraction for the electrons in the bond. It's okay, understand till now? Any problem, guys?
no.
It's okay. Any problem? No problem, it's okay. After that, okay, you can listen to this.
Section 5, Electronegativity and Polarity. A chemical bond's character is related to each atom's attraction for the electrons in the bond.
Okay, after that, the essential question that you are going to study. Essential question that you are going to study. Number one. Number one means what? Listen. Listen, please. Listen, please.
Essential question. How is electronegativity used to determine bond type? How do polar and nonpolar covalent bonds and polar and nonpolar molecules compare and contrast? What are the characteristics of covalently bonded compounds?
It's okay. Question number one. How is the electronegativity used to determine bond type? Okay. Question number two. How do polar and nonpolar covalent bonds and polar and nonpolar molecule compare and contrast? Question number three. What are the characteristics of covalently bonded compound? Okay. After that, the vocab that we studied before. The vocab that we studied before, which is called what? Number one, electronegativity. Who can answer me what's meant by electronegativity? What's meant? Who can answer? Raise his hand, please. No, anyone can answer? Okay. Electronegativity, it means what? It means electronegativity. It's the tendency of atom, it's the ability of atom in covalent compound to attract electrons to each other. Ability of atoms in covalent compound to attract each other. So can you understand? Understand the guys or no? Guys.
Yes.
Understand till now? Any problem?
No.
It's okay. After that, the vocab that we are going to study, the polar covalent bond. Polar covalent bond. What's meant by polar covalent bond? Who can answer me what is this? This is called what? This is predictable. Good. Electronegativity value for selected elements. So, what are the selected elements? Hydrogen, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. Then the largest element that have highest electronegativity at the right table, at the right side, which is called what? This table called what? This table called what? Called halogens. Called what? Halogens. Halogens that include fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. It's okay. So H, who can answer me? H has least electronegativity, or F has least electronegativity? Which one has highest electronegativity? Highest or least? Which one? F. F has what? Highest electronegativity. So it means that electronegativity in period, this is called the period. From left to right, called the period. Okay, so which element has highest electronegativity? Hydrogen or fluorine? Which element? Hydrogen or fluorine? No one can answer me? Yeah. Which element?
From the very table.
Which element?
Hello.
Yes.
اهلا.
Which element has highest electronegativity?
Can you repeat the question?
Yeah, okay, but concentrate. We have hydrogen and fluorine. Which element has highest electronegativity? Hydrogen at the left side of periodic table or fluorine at the right side of periodic table?
What's the question?
Fluorine. Fluorine is the highest element in electronegativity. It means that electronegativity in period, from left to right, increase or decrease? Ibrahim, increase or decrease?
Decrease.
Good,
قال
good,
ابراهيم يا
good,
شباب.
increase. Good, so it increase. Increase, good, Ibrahim, and good Ahmoud. It's okay. Now, electronegativity and bond character. Electrons affinity measures the tendency of an atom to accept an electron. Okay, electrons affinity measures the tendency of an atom to accept an electron. Noble gases are not listed. Why? Why? No. Why noble gas is not listed in this table? Who can answer me? Mashari. Mashari. What are you guys? What are you guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Hello, Mr. With you.
Okay.
With you, Mr.
Okay. Fluorine. Why noble gases are not listed? Because they generally don't form compound. Why? Who can answer me? Why noble gases don't form any compound? Can you tell me, Ibrahim or Hamoud or Mazen? Can you tell me?
تفضل مازن.
Mazen.
Yes.
Mazen.
What are you, Mazen? Are you here?
Yes.
It's okay. Answer me, Mazen, please. Why?
Please answer him, Mazen.
Okay. Why noble gases? Why noble gases don't enter in the chemical reaction to form compound?
I need help from mute.
Okay, listen guys. Noble gases can't form any compound because their outermost energy level is completely filled with electrons. So they can lose or gain or share with electrons. Okay? Can lose or gain or
Mr.
share.
Can you
Yes,
repeat it again?
it's okay. It's okay. Noble gases can't enter in any chemical reaction. Why? Because their outermost energy level completely filled with electrons. So they don't lose or gain or share with any electrons. Okay? Understand?
Yeah,
Yes.
Mr. I
It's
understand.
okay. Listen, please.
Electronegativity and bond character. Electron affinity measures the tendency of an atom to accept an electron. Noble gases are not listed because they generally do not form compounds.
It's okay. So H, which is hydrogen atom, least electronegativity or highest?
Least.
Good, least. Fluorine,
Hi.
high. So,
Mr.
yeah.
When I get up from the Zoom, I can hear you or I can speak.
Okay, so check from your voice, from voice of lab or mobile. Check the voice.
Huh? Yes.
Check the voice.
No. The voice.
Yeah, check the voice to hear
How
me
I check?
well. I check the button. You opened the Zoom from mobile or from laptop.
I can't download it from the laptop.
Yeah, you
I can't.
so you opened it from your
Yes, my
your
mobile.
mobile. So
Yes.
the button at the left side, audio.
Yes, mute and unmute.
Yeah, audio. Okay, make it unmute. Okay, and press on it to make high level of voice.
Oh, yes,
Okay,
yes.
it's okay. Hello, Naif. Okay, guys. Complete. Let's complete. Let's complete. Okay. After that.
Mr. Ahmed,
Yes.
if I put mute, I can't unmute.
Unmute. You can make unmute. Okay, to discuss with me. If you made it as mute, so you can't discuss with me.
Mr. I think your internet connection is bad, right?
The problem is in the internet, not in me. Okay, I
Yes,
have
yes.
net. I have net well, and I can hear most of students now. Okay,
Not about hearing your voice.
my voice. I think that it's clear.
No.
لا كويس
Why?
يا
How can you hear me?
Yeah.
How can you hear me now?
كلنا.
Naif, hello. I'm Naif Harbi. You muted me. No. Okay. All mute and unmute all. I make now unmute to all. Okay.
Hello, Mr.
Hello. Granny. It's okay. Let's begin. Difference and bond character. It's okay. Difference and bond character. Electronegativity means what? Electronegativity. Okay. This table lists the character and type of chemical bond that forms with differences in electronegativity. Okay. Means what? Electronegativity, difference, and bond. In ionic bond and polar covalent bond, mostly covalent, non-covalent.
سليمان حط ميوت.
Listen guys, please. Bond character, okay? In mostly ionic, electronegativity will be less than 1.7. Less than 1.7. Okay? Less than what? Less than 1.7.
1.7.
1.7.
Okay, now in polar covalent, from 0.4 to 1.7. Okay, from 0.4
Okay.
to 1.7. In mostly equivalent, greater than 0.4. Greater than 0.4. It's okay. Okay. Greater than 0.4. It's okay, and I love you, Faisal. I love you, Faisal. Welcome back, Faisal. Welcome back, Faisal. In non-polar covalent becomes 0. It's okay. Understand me till now?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Any problem?
Yes. No.
So which bond, which compound have highest electronegativity? Ionic or polar covalent or mostly covalent or non-polar?
Not polar. Not polar.
Highest electronegativity, not
معليش.
least. Highest polar covalent.
لا هايست يا شباب.
Highest polar covalent. Because
Polar
electronegativity
صح polar.
Because electronegativity between what? Between 0.4 to 1.7. Understand me?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
It's okay. Let's go to the next slide. This slide. Okay. Yes, sir. Me. Gurney.
No, مشاري.
Mshari. Yes, Mshari.
I changed my device. You can hear me now?
Yeah. How can I told you now?
No, my voice is good or bad?
Yeah, good.
Good.
Mashallah. Good, mashallah. You will be stronger, inshallah, Mshari. As you have
MashaAllah, MashaAllah.
as you have high level of voice. It's okay. Unequal sharing of electrons result in polar covalent compound. Okay. So the polar covalent compound. Polar covalent compound. Okay. Means what? Or produced from what? Produced from unequal. Produced from what? From unequal sharing of electrons. Unequal what? Unequal sharing of electrons. Okay, in polar covalent compound. Okay.
Mr.
Yes.
Who's Yazid?
What? Yazid.
في واحد اسمه يزيد.
Yazid. Who's Yazid? I don't know. Yazid.
Yazid
Can you put off your camera?
I think, Mr. that is some of us share the code and let somebody join.
Okay.
لا يمديك تغير اسمك يا زياد.
Yazid. Okay, I will remove it. I will remove him. Remove. It's okay, class. He removed now. It's okay.
Okay.
Okay. Unequal sharing of electrons results in the polar covalent compound. So polar covalent bond produced from what? From unsharing electrons. Unequal sharing electrons. Okay, that form polar covalent compound. Bonding is often not clearly ionic or covalent. Bonding is often not clearly in ionic or covalent compound. This graph represents what? This graph summarizes the range of chemical bond between atoms. Okay, can you listen? Hamoud, can you put off your camera, please? Okay, the electronegativity difference. N2, this is what? This line, okay, percent ionic character. And this line, electronegativity difference. N2, small. ALB, more large. HCl, more. HF, larger. So after that, NABR, MgO, CaO, and so on. Okay, so this is the this is a range or graph. Yes. CaO, calcium oxide. Okay, calcium oxide. The difference in the electronegativity between its atoms is very high. Why? Very high. Can you hear me, Naif? Naif, can you hear me?
قطع يا استاذ الو.
Guys. All students hear me now or no?
مين انت؟ ما اسمع شيء.
عود افاتح
لكن قبلت فور.
Any problem till now, guys? Any problem till now?
مستر صوتك بس راح.
Can you repeat it?
Okay, I will repeat it. Okay, calcium oxide, CaO, has highest electronegativity. Why? Who can answer me why? Calcium oxide, why?
Because Mr. From the I changed the other device and I can't concentrate from you.
Okay, I will repeat. Knife, what is knife? Knife, I will mute.
Naif.
نايف.
Okay. Knife, I muted it. I muted him.
Hello.
It's okay.
Mister, you muted me.
Yeah, it's okay.
أخر المايك والله.
It's okay.
من جد التصوير.
So in this, listen please. Okay. In electronegativity, okay, calcium oxide, highest electronegativity. Why highest electronegativity? Why highest electronegativity? Okay, because calcium is a metal at left side. Oxygen, non-metal at right side. So the difference between left and right will be high or small?
هاي.
Will be high.
High, yes.
So calcium oxide has the highest electronegativity. Why? Because the difference in the electronegativity between calcium at left and oxygen at right is high. Understand me?
And if it's high, it will be high. If it's low, it will be low.
It will be low. Okay, understand me? And
Yes, yes.
it's ionic compound also. Ionic compound. And we said that ionic compound has electronegativity greater than 1.7. Okay?
Yes.
So listen please to this.
Electronegativity and bond character. Unequal sharing of electrons results in the polar covalent bond. Bonding is often not clearly ionic or covalent. This graph summarizes the range of chemical bonds between two atoms.
And this is a graph between them. Understand me, Shabab, guys? Understand me?
Yes.
Okay. The slides after that, polar covalent bond. How can we calculate polar covalent bond? Okay, listen please. First,
Polar covalent bonds. Polar covalent bonds form when atoms pull on electrons in a molecule unequally.
this means that what polar covalent bond form when atoms as H is HCl. This is HCl compound. Okay, H at left side or right side from periodic table.
Left side.
Good. With Cl and Cl at what?
Right.
At right. So the difference in electronegativity, Cl at right larger, 3.16. And electronegativity in hydrogen smaller, 2.20. So the difference between them, if you calculated it now,
0.96.
0.96. So the difference in the electronegativity between H and Cl equal what? 0.96.
And we do minus, huh?
We do minus between them, between the atoms that form polar compound. Understand me?
Mr.
Yes.
You can
Yes.
write it in the notebook or it's not
No, I will send this on YouTube. I will send this on YouTube.
in WhatsApp.
At WhatsApp and YouTube. Okay, this
No,
video.
at YouTube. Another.
Yeah, at this video. Okay. After that, listen. Complete.
Electrons spend more time around one atom than another, resulting in partial charges at the ends of the bond called a dipole.
Dipole. It's called dipole. Electrons spend more time around one atom than another, resulting in partial charge. This is called partial positive, and this is called partial negative. At the end of the bond called a dipole. Okay, called what? Called a dipole. This video, we are going to see it now. Okay, but I think that the time will run out. Okay, and at the end of this session, that we are going to complete from this. Okay, we are going to complete, inshallah, from this share slide number what? slide number 9. It's okay. We are going to begin with slide number 9.
We'll stop at slide number 9.
We are going to study. We are going to study and begin next
The class
session.
finish.
Yeah, the class finish now. Okay. Understand guys.
طيب كم تبيع ساعة؟ احمد ربنا.
والله انا حسبت اكثر والله يا رجل صدعت خلاص والله خلاص.
Understand guys now?
Understand.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
You will get a revision sheet for the quiz.
Yeah, inshallah.
No, for the exam.
Inshallah, I will send at the SBS site. I will send PDF file to this lesson. PDF file including its answer. Yes.
الحين في اختبارات نهائية ولا ايش؟
I don't know till now.
في
I don't know till now. It's okay.
لا يقولون قاعدين يدرسون دراسة عن الاختبار عن بعد قصدي.
ايه الاختبار عن بعد يعني
till now I don't know guys.
طيب الاختبار على المقاطع اللي ارسلهم كلها على اليوتيوب.
Yes.
يكون صعب مرة حتى.
All sessions that I explained, okay, from the beginning.
All of it will come in the exam.
Yes.
Inshallah, sure. So you must study these sessions, and if you have any question, you can answer me. It's okay. But now the session ended now. Okay, and we are going to complete inshallah in next time. It's okay, guys.
Yes.
استاذ ما طولنا استاذ ما اخذنا شيء استاذ.
Session will be 30 minutes only مشاري at Zoom 30 minutes only. 30 minutes only.
والله ما اخذنا شيء استاذ بس اخذنا اللو will be low and high will be high بس.
I will.
مشاري تجريبي بس هذا.
مشاري I will inshallah complete in the next session inshallah.
طيب now we have another session.
Yeah, inshallah. You must follow the table. You must follow the table that you are going.
أما أحسب حصة واحدة أنا كنت ناوي أكمل نوم.
No. You must follow the sessions and the table that the school sent it to your WhatsApp.
وش ذا القمر.
ما شاء الله والله يسعد جنتل السلام والله يجي.
تسلم مشاري. Good luck guys. Good luck. Okay.
Good luck.
Okay. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Good morning.